In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add sound in Figma prototype. Start by opening your design in Figma. If you haven't created the interactive element yet, add your button or any touch target you want to use. Position it exactly where you want it on the canvas. To make the interaction reliable, draw a frame over the button so you have a dedicated hit area. Keep that frame the same size as the tappable region you intend. Then select both the button and the new frame and group them. Grouping helps keep the visual element and its interactive area together, so moving or duplicating it later won't break the trigger alignment. Next, open the PunchCut Audio plugin. Go to the Plugins menu in Figma, search for PunchCut Audio, and run it. With the plugin open, select the layer that should act as the trigger. You can click the frame you drew, the button itself, or the group. Just make sure you are selecting the exact layer you want the sound attached to. If you have multiple elements that need audio, you'll repeat the selection process for each one. Now choose the sound. The plugin includes handy defaults like click, alert, and success. These are great for most prototypes and keep things consistent. If you want something specific, you can add a custom audio URL. Use a direct link to a short MP3 or WAV file hosted online. Short clips help keep interactions snappy, and using a secure, accessible URL ensures the sound will play reliably when you test the prototype. After you've picked the audio, save your settings in the plugin. Then preview your work in Figma. Click Present to enter prototype mode. Interact with your button or frame, and you should hear the sound on tap. If you don't hear anything, double-check that your system volume is up. Confirm you attach the audio to the correct layer, and make sure any custom URL loads directly in a browser tab. Because sounds are triggered by clicks, they typically play without browser autoplay issues. That's it. Thanks for watching.